Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County in central Illinois, southeastern McLean County in central Illinois, northwestern Champaign County in east central Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Saybrook, or 12 miles west of Gibson City, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fisher, Saybrook, Bellflower, Arrowsmith, Foosland, and Dewey. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 167 and 169. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National